Hello friends, welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing? Alright, so I just want to do a video on Ripple today. Okay, so I want to let you guys know that this might be the last chance of buying Ripple under $1. Okay, it might be the last chance of buying Ripple under $1. Now, looking at this is a pictorial, the whole view of Ripple since 2015. All right, this is a monthly chart of Ripple. Now, if you want to take a full look of any chart, most times it's better you start off from the highest time frame, okay, so you can understand where the market is going. Because most times you look at hourly charts and stuff like that, it might be myopic, not to see the exact pictures. And if there's any reason why many guys are losing money in trading and investing, because most guys don't know how to have a sense of direction of where the market is going. All right, so having said that, please kindly subscribe to this channel and click the like button. All right, so now from 2015 we've noticed that the market haven't done anything until 2017. I started making this wave. All right, so this was the last bull market, which is completed. Now we now started the correction started, and boom, it completed itself here, like 2020. Okay, so we were expecting this to move from here. All right, but you know one thing, nothing goes in a straight line, guys, and that was the correction here. So let's go down to the lowest time frame so you can see it and understand it better. Okay, good. So now look at what is happening here. So you can see that this move, the correction has already been completed. That is the three-wave downwards. Okay, three-wave downwards. W, X, and Y. Okay, it completed here. All right, so this correction is completed here. Okay, so what are we expecting after that? Now, we thought last time that this is going here, but now you see this is the first impulse up. Now is making a three-wave correction part here, which afterwards that is where it goes. There is no other place for Ripple except up. All right, there is no other place for Ripple except going up. Now, if you look at the whole chart now, you can see something that, you see, this is down. This is down, market is just down. And if there's anything that market goes, up, down, up, down. And if I should ask you, where will you be buying? I think the best thing is to be buying down. All right, so no matter how it stays within this down, it's better to buy within. Even if you bought here, you bought at this place, it's even better than buying here. Okay, so what is just happening here is just a spike based on where its market is going. All right, so the market is down, Ripple is down, and this might be the last chance of buying it below $1. All right, so what we'll be expecting now, if you go to daily charts, you will see that, look, this is what happened last time, that many guys begin to freak out and begin to lose faith in Ripple. They said they have a lot of issues, and you can see this is just a three-wave move down, and that was it, and it's ended. It's ended. So now it's ended. What next are you expecting? No other place, guys. No other place, guy, than up. Okay, so what we'll be expecting here is for this market, two things that can happen here. Two things that can happen here is, first, as it makes this three-wave here, it makes another three-wave down, and there we go. Okay, or from here it moves. So that's why I wouldn't want you to miss this Ripple, because everything is set. Everything is set and it's about to move. So look at it, guys. This was a very sharp move down. Nobody expected this to happen this way. All right, nobody expected this last week to happen this way. But you can see it happens. All right. So this is a transaction, a massive fall. And one thing is certain, most times nothing moves in a straight line. So even if this is gonna be a sign to downfall, it will definitely show us by completing this wave. So what's next we will be expecting, assuming this is a sign for downfall, at least we will expect another sharp move down like that. Okay, so we expect something like that. Then before we now start seeing, correction downwards. But without that, guys, I tell you that this is just the beginning of the massive bull run. All right, it's the beginning of the massive bull run for Ripple. And I believe that if you have been holding Ripple by now, congratulations, you are doing well. All right, so because you're gonna really enjoy that long time of holding. If there's one thing that actually pays in investing, is patience. Okay, patience really pays. All right, so that's why you need to hold it tight and hold it strong. But if you are yet to join the party, I still believe that you are not late yet. Okay, you are not late yet. So you can see that the market is just about to boom, guy. By next week, I believe Ripple will be above $1. And what is my target? Where is my target? If actually we look at it from the high time frame, we look at it from weekly charts, they'll be able to see that once a market makes and completed a wave, the first wave, assuming this is the first wave, and it completed itself. So what are we expecting? The next cycle is beginning here. The next cycle begins here, which they get to like $4. Okay, next cycle begins here. So since this did not break the previous low, that is the starting point low. So this is the logic here. The logic is very simple. Okay, market ends here, and this is the previous low. This is where the market started. You see that? Okay, so if there's something you should learn from now, that already what are we waiting for is for this to happen. Okay, it's for this to happen, guys. So Ripple is looking good, and for both investors and traders, it's looking very, very good. And I believe in the next few weeks that something good will happen in Ripple. All right, so next video, that's why I need to subscribe, guys. I'm going to show you some of how you can build a portfolio, guys. I'm going to show you how you can build portfolio. Just stick around. In the next video, I will be releasing a chart for you how to build a healthy portfolio, and also how you can balance it, and how to start from nothing, at least to one Bitcoin, if you know what you're doing in 6 months. All right, so subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. It's going to guide you, hold you by the hand, show you how things are being done, and how you too can make good money from trading and investing. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that like button. Thank you.